Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you what is the necessity of hard water softener for your washing machine. See here, this is the front load IFB fully automatic washing machine. See here the clothes freshness and the quality. And at the back side of this front load IFB branded washing machine, there is this Eco Crystal water purifier is installed. See here at the back side to the pipe inlet connection to the IFB washing machine. In between there is this crystal processor water filter. What does this machine or the filter do is it will take hard water in the sense the water which comes from your tank, and it will purify it all. It will block all the impurities. See here the color at the starting of the installation of this fresh and clean J water softener, it was white actually, and the color what you have seen, the yellowish color, is all the impurities or the hardness of the water. Water will have magnesium and some sort of chemicals, right, within the mix. So it will filter all those and will give soft water as the input to the washing machine. That's the reason you see the output, right, that fresh clothes. And not only this, not for the clothes, it is good for the washing machine also. Hard water will always try to damage and remain scaling on the stainless steel tub where the washing process will going on, right? See here, fresh and clean, I'll just read it for you. Removes dirt and oil from water, saves detergent, saves less traces of detergent on clothes, gives soft and hygiene wash, causes no discoloration, renders heater, coil and tub scale free. This is what I'm talking about. See here, the user who is using this IFB front load washing machine, right? See, crystal processor marketed by IFB Industries. Actually, the official technician of IFB has installed this, and they suggested the user to install this. As I said, this is the IFB. See here, this is the branding IFB washing machine. Senator Plus SRS 8012/2022 front load of 8 kg. Right. The main reason the user has installed this is for his area there is a lot of hard water, means after the washing the clothes are a little bit smelly and decolorization of the clothes, and also for the tub there is scaling, means some yellow is scaling on the tub. So they suggested to install this. After the install, let us check the online prices also. The user purchased this offline for 2300 rupees and for the installation cost, but in the offline it is showing something like 1400 to 1500. This is Eco Crystal only, and the rating is decent 4.2. After installation of this Eco Crystal fresh and clean J, now the user has felt there is no what is this scaling, and this can be used for 12 months. And I read the description and everything. It is mentioned like 20,000 liters it can filter, so you can say it as 12 months. Shell life would be 12 months. After that you need to have the maintenance of this what is this filter. And please do comment if you are also facing this hard water scaling or impurities, and this will definitely make washing machine work for longer. Means if you provide soft water, then only there won't be any damage for the washing machine because it blocks the impurities. Yeah, if you are looking for the one, please do comment in the comment section. Yeah.